Migo Eliud Owalo osingo mar sidho ayanga duond bura mare mobiro dhigo e debe yiero mahiga manyien mar laro kom jatend piny. Owalo wacho ni kinde osechopo ma Jo-Kenya nyaka yier jotelo manyalo kelo lokruok ahinya to e sekta mar uchumi. Mowacho ni obembo jopiny mayutogi ni piny kane olose sachiko moro e kar chung' od bura magem. Owalo nokwedo paro manyocha moko kuom josiasa mag ODM osiekogo mar zoning mowacho ni en gino mathiro demokrasia e lora manyanza.
We cannot be in a multi-party environment as enshrined in our 2010 constitution, yet in some parts of the country we want to subject our people to a political monolithic one party, where if you don't get the party ticket, then you fall by the wayside. So we must have a multiplicity of parties. That's why this month I'm going to launch my own party. And I want to appeal to progressive leaders to run on that party and compete with other parties so that the people have got the opportunity to elect leaders who can facilitate real change for the benefit of the what? Of the people. Some people think that, Owalo has stepped forward and at some point in time may step down for anybody. That is wishful thinking. I'm in this race for the long haul and I will be on the what? On the ballot. Kenya has to be ready for a new set of leaders. And if we are changing leadership at the top, we must also change leadership at the bottom here. Sani kamara mkamidhiye, ngata Kenya kabara mkamidhiye, buro nyisi no onge pesa yofuko, to buro nyisi nige kitabu mariketu GMMS. Sagik mokadi. So those are the twin challenges that we must confront head on.